Disabling Face Idaho in Gcash is a simple process. Follow these steps to do it. Introduction. Today, I'll guide you through disabling Face Idaho in Gcash, ensuring your security preferences are met. Access Settings. Open the Settings menu on your Android phone. Select Gcash app. Locate and select the Gcash app from the list of installed apps. Navigate to Security Biometric Settings. Look for the Security or Biometric section within the Gcash app settings. Disable Biometric Authentication. Find the option to disable biometric authentication, which might be labeled as Disable Biometric Use PIN or something similar. Confirm Action. Confirm the action if prompted, ensuring that you want to disable Face ID. Save changes. Once you've disabled Face ID, make sure to save or confirm the changes. Test authentication method. Log out of your Gcash app and log back in to verify whether Face Idaho is no longer being used for authentication. Additional support. If you encounter any issues or if the steps vary, refer to the app's help or support section or contact Gcash customer support for specific guidance. By following these steps, you can easily disable Face Idaho in Gcash, providing you with alternative authentication options.